Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Express 2500. A 4.8-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.